What happened to her?
Sister wange ono sister wange ndi Musoga tuviridde Iganga district. Kati lwali lwakutaano ne tulaba omukyalo nawadde wano obujulizi ku eyasimululwa ebbeere. Kati sister wange ono obuno obulwadde obumuluma kintu katandikanga akantu wonalaba akantu akakuluma ne weetakulawo n'akitwala for granted. Yagenda okulaba nga kidevelopinga. That was 2014. Kati nekidevelopinga nekifuuka towards ne tugamba nti no baki nga tetumanyi. Kati ne bagenda mu ddwaliro ne bagamba nti no kikizimba. Kati ne bakijjanjaba era ne kikola ki ne kiddayo. Kati ne tweyongera mu ddwaliro ddala ne bakeberanga kansa. Kati olwakeberanga kansa ne bakyoperatinga era ndowooza mulaba enkovu eno, enkovu yeeno wano bakisala ne bamusala. Kati ne kibanga ekirecoverinze ne kibanga ekiwonye
wewe bamusala.
Kati after ne wayitawo ebbanga lya myezi nga 6 ne kiddamu ate ne tutambula. Kati tetwalina sente zaidi zitugweddeko okutambula mu basawo. Kati ne tugezaako ne tutandika otambula mu machachi ne bigaana. So kati musajja wa Katonda tuzze wano ndese sister wange ono okuva okusinziira ku bujulizi bwe nalaba ku omukazi gwe nalaba ku Friday ng'omusabira. Kati ne ngamba nti kantwaliyoko sister wange ono naye tomanya musajja wa Katonda amusabire. So omuleese omusabire.
The sickness began in 2014. It began as something itching, so when she scratched it, it grew bigger and bigger. So they went to a certain hospital and they were told it was a tumor. They tried to treat it, but it didn't cure. So they tried to go to another hospital. So when they went to another hospital, they said it was cancer. So they went for an operation. She was operated. After 6 months, the sickness came back.
Say,
let the ring of the Lord work. This tumor, I put a ring on it. Her whole jaw is swollen up. From the upper part of it, she's all swollen. I put a ring on her. Do you see this lady? Today is what? How many of you want to see while it has disappeared? Do you want to see how while it has disappeared? While this side is equal to the other? Today is Friday night. Now on Friday, this coming week, or this week, whoever is looking for proof, if this lady comes back with this tumor, this swollen thing, swollen tissue that swollen and covered her whole jaw. Now that I've put a ring on her, God is very good. Now that I've put this ring on her, on Friday this week, she's going to come back while it has disappeared. Put a microphone. How are you? She feels bad. She has a lot of pain. On Friday, come back here. Everyone that wants to prove who Pastor Igatron is, wherever you are, bring a friend, a relative, your sibling, bring all those argumentative and they take a look at her. On Friday this week, this whole jaw will have healed. And it shall be equal to this other one. You see how it is the side? I'm going to work on it and it shall be equal to the other. You go, the Lord set you free.